I'm Mari Silby with Light Reading, and I'm here with Anthony Rodrigo, CTO for Axiata Digital. Thanks for joining us.
Good to be here. Thank you.
What can you tell us, what can you share with us about Axiata's strategy for IoT?
Yeah, so we see it as a platform play for IoT, where we look at multiple IoT enablers southbound, ranging from smart car, smart home, agri, etc. Right? But then on the northbound, to enable multiple stakeholders, can be consumers for their DIY applications, or even enterprises. And the third sector is the developers. So if you were to be in the middle of this platform play, enabling the verticals and northbound to enable the applications, you have a huge ecosystem of developers and users.
Right. And I understand that one of the first applications that you're starting down on with IoT is the connected car. Right. What made you decide to start there?
I think in our markets, among the many verticals that are quite attractive for us, the smart car is a key vertical. The big funnel that we have of customers, that is basically fleet management and vehicle tracking is a key use case for us. Yeah.
This is Zoran Vasiliev, Chief Strategy Officer with Axiata Digital. And I wanted to ask you about your partnership with Huawei and what made you select Huawei as you move forward with your IoT deployments.
I mean, maybe just quickly to say that IoT is one of our strategic investment pillars when we look at where we want to take Axiata Digital moving forward. And Huawei is one of the partners that was the most progressive in aligning with our own strategy and understanding really where we want to take IoT moving ahead. So selecting Huawei and striking this partnership was actually an easy decision for us because we have a partner that is aligned with us and is gonna help us achieve our vision.
When you say aligned, does that mean that Huawei gives you the flexibility to determine your product roadmap and some of the applications that you'll be able to deliver on the IoT platform?
When we say flexibility, what we mean is that working with Huawei, they understood very much what our capabilities are and what our strategy and our ambition is when it comes to the verticals and the products and services that we would like to take into the market. So they adjusted themselves to align with us to make sure that they are ready to support us when and if we call our next strategy and when we are ready to execute. So that was really what the alignment was all about, and it helped us accelerate where we want to take some of these services moving forward.
So you're starting with connected car. What might be some of the future applications going forward?
Yeah, connected car was something that we have a faster uptake as what we heard before. But I think the next verticals are all probably related to connected home, eventually maybe to security, to agriculture, which is obviously an industry that is quite dominant in the footprint where we operate as Axiata. So I think we're looking forward to accelerate some of the launches in the other verticals very soon.
All right. Well, I want to thank you for joining us and have a good rest of your Mobile World Congress.
Thank you for having us.